Okay, we are recording, Justin. My pedals aren't working. This is Avery and Justin, and we are going to Sonic on bikes. Hopefully, someone out there will see this, or I will die, because Justin erases all of these videos all the freaking time.
Off my phone though, it's easier to spin. Can you take that out? Big Reggie.
I didn't see it. Is there a car? Ah, I almost off the road. Hey, look, doggies. Bye, dogs. I love you. The Civil War was your fault. Where are we going uphill? Where are we going uphill? Oh. Oh, Jesus. I don't have any brakes on this bike. No. This is terrifying. He's just up there, you know, clowning around. This bike doesn't have any brakes. Sucks. Come on, pedal. Pedal to the metal. I'm holding down the brake and nothing is happening. I think Nick tried to sabotage our plan. He like cut all the bike's brakes. Help me.
Avery, brake. Why don't you put it in your left hand?
Huh?
Why don't you put it in your left hand?
Because my left hand gets sweaty.
But you need the brake with your right.
I can brake with my pinky and my... Ah! Doesn't it say Ann live right here or something? Oh, screw her.
Yeah, I remember last time. Well, her grandma does. She's probably over there. Though.
Her aunt?
Her
Or,
grandma. She's
oh.
like,
Sorry. What is that amazing noise?
hello. We're going Sonic. On our bikes. Yeah, we ate when we were on dessert.
Poop, I forgot my diabetes stuff. I'm wearing ankle weights, and so this really hurts my legs. I'm really afraid they'll fall off or something and just get caught on my bike, just flip over backwards. Because the velocity of the back wheel would make the front wheel stop and make it flip backwards. Hey, look, a rental car. What?
You used to pick up the shoe last time. You took it all the way to my house.
What shoe? Oh, that gross shoe? Yeah. Is this the right way to go? Because there's a hill. That's a nice car. Look at the beautiful scenery. And the sun! I'm slowing down, I need a pedal. We played a lot of Connectimals, if anybody knows what that is. And so, my legs hurt like heck. What? Yeah, I'm recording the whole ride, broski.
It's only been 5 minutes since we left my house.
What? 4:11, Justin.
Oh, God. That's how long it's been until you started recording.
I know, I was saying, you said 5 minutes, I said 4:11. Look at the beautiful scenery. Hope you know I can't brake anymore while I'm doing this for you. Ah! Jesus. Let's have brakes. Yeah, we're gonna post this on Facebook. Oh, Jesus! I don't like gears. They give me too many options to screw up my bike. You might have to turn up your computer volume. Done! They're looking at all the goats! Look at all those goats over there! They're beautiful! They are majestic! Dude, that's freaking beautiful! Oh, crap! Justin, get back here, the camera can't hear you! Why? I can't hear you, because I just said! You actually tricked me, stop that. I'm gonna be a goat farmer.
Did I trick you?
Yeah, you did actually.
How did I trick you?
Yeah, I was in this backyard. If we have to go back and eat and I have to like ride that one or something, screw that. It's just don't you dare get away from me. Ah, ah. You know, there's been told to be a lot of ghosts around this cemetery. I just ruined that line right there, goats and cemetery. Can you take the camera?
I think you heard something. Why are you just getting out of the car?
There's a hole in it.
So what kind of hole?
Hold up. Hold up. Hold up.
Come on, man, make it up.
Okay. We'll record later. This is only half the